Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Projects. I am back with another great video and this is the one of the best video of my channel. So in this video I am going to explain quiz app which is I created in Android Studio using Java. So first see what I make in Android Studio. So you can see I open my phone and here you can see this is quiz app. It contains a logo. I open it. Now it contains a simple splash screen. So you can add a splash screen according to your own choice. Now here you can see it contains first 8 questions, but you can add as many questions. It is completely depend on you how many questions you want to add. It contains 4 options. These all are text views, not buttons. So the UI of the quiz app looks amazing and pretty simple UI, and it looks amazing and it helps to create how to create this kind of UI. So you can see below, you can see it contains a progress bar. So let us suppose I select right answer. So if the right answer is voice over internet protocol, I click on it. So if I click on right, you can see I get the toast of right because the answer of that question is right. And now you can see score incremented successfully. So I have 1 score from 8 and this is the second question. Now let us suppose I choose wrong one. The correct answer of this question is Java, but I select Swift. So you can see it gives me a toast of wrong and score does not increment. But on the top of the screen you can see this is the third question from 8 questions. Now let us suppose I click on this correct answer debugging zettabyte, and you can see it give me toast every time and scoreboard incremented successfully and the question board is also incremented successfully. Now this question is what is my name, so I select right one. So now the score is 5 from 8. So this is the last question. So and you can see and the below the progress bar is filled step by step according to the question. It contains 8 questions, so it fill according to the 8 question, but it is dynamic progress bar. So if you have as many questions, then you can adjust according to your own Android application. So now let's see what happened after click on the last answer. So I selected the last answer. You can see it show me a dialog box. You score 6 points. Now it contains 2 options. No, close application. If I click on close application, it close the application. If I click on no, then you can see now I am again come back on my first question and the scoreboard is set to 0 and the progress bar are also set to null. And this is first question from 8. So I can do the same thing again and again. So you can see now this time I score 1 point. So this is very amazing app, and I am not going to explain only code in my videos. I am also explaining the logic behind the code. So let's see the code first. So I open my Android Studio. So here you can see this is the code and it does not contain any single warning. After learning how to write code, now it's time to write how to write better code. So you can see my code does not contain any single warning. So this is the code and I will explain everything from start to end. So after creating this kind of quiz app, what you will learn? How to create this simple type of UI with the linear layouts, then how to increment your progress bar, how to increment scoreboard, and how to validate the answers, how to change question after user select any of answer. So you can make much more better app than this, but I think this is the one of the best app to teach you the tutorial of how to create a simple quiz app. So this kind of quiz app we can easily create in 4 to 5 videos of 20 minutes. So the biggest question is when I upload the tutorial of this quiz app, if I get 30 likes on this video, on this demo video, if I get 30 likes, then on the next day you will see the first video, or we can say first part of the quiz app. So why you wait? Simply like the video and share it with your friend to help me to reach out 30 likes as soon as possible. As soon as I get 30 likes, then I will upload the tutorial of this quiz app just on the next day. So hopefully guys you like this video, and if you have any query you can simply comment down below. I try to give the answer of every comment. Please like the video and subscribe my channel for latest update for Android project and web development project. So please like the video. Why you wait? Simply thank you. See you soon in next video.